Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be replacing a iPhone 8 Plus battery. Let's see the battery thing message. Let's go have a look. So you have to go to settings, you scroll down until it says battery, and then you press it, and then there will be another section, but then you go there, then you're there, right? See, you're here now. You go to battery health, tap it, and you'll see this, and it will say the message. Everyone see that? Important battery message. Your battery health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. I don't see any Apple thingy people. Wait, no, Apple authorized service providers. I don't see none of them. Where are they? See, I don't see any of them. Let me try. By the way, kids, if you're like me, I recommend you don't do it. Have your dad, mum, brother, if he's over 19, and your sister that's over 19 too, or your sister, or your anyone, any adult, okay? Take any adult, just grab them by the head and you eat. Now let's get started. Okay, we're here at my work area. Got the phone. Let's get this started. If you want to replace a iPhone 8 Plus battery, you're gonna need the actual phone. You're gonna need some tools, which are right here, and you're gonna need one of these, a battery, because batteries are the most important things in the flipping world. No, they're just used for to charge this. Let's get this started. Okay, first we need to take off the case. So let's just see this case. It's pretty dirty. Put this aside. Now this phone looks naked. Well, we gotta take off this glass, the protective layer of glass, using this end, the end right here. So let's just go. Oh yeah. Oh crack. The noise is so satisfying. Oh. Okay, this is, be careful not to crack it. But of course, I cracked it. Oh my God, that's terrible. Okay, wait, we gotta turn off the phone as well. Let's turn the phone on, then hold this button down. Now, see this? Slide it. Voila, it's turned off forever. See? Can't turn it back on. Okay, now let's take these two screws out. If you can see them, they're so tiny. I feel like we're doing the printer teardown, but on my phone. I'll get my magnet. It's right here. Heavy little fella. So this is a magnet, it's pretty heavy. I put this screw on it, right there, see? That screw, it's tiny, so tiny. I got the magnet just in case, because we don't want these screws going bye-bye. Actually, no, this is better. That ball is a magnet. This is also a magnet. Oh my God, everything is a magnet, even my brain. Okay, now let's unscrew this. Okay, just goes on the end again. Okay, here's the hard bit. what we're gonna need to do, we've got the suction cup right here. You wanna put it like right there. Suction, apply. And then you're gonna wanna wait, I got this under here, but it's pretty hard to get open. Gotta open a little, see? You see? I'm gonna continue trying to pry it open. Okay, get it open. So as you can see, I'm trying to pry this open. I'm getting there. Oh yeah. As we are opening this, you gotta watch out for this black cable because it's connecting the screen to the phone. Let's open this. I'm scared. Oh, it's dropped. Oh, all right, we're open for business. Okay, so you see these? We've got to be careful. So this is the battery that we're replacing. Anyway, let's drop that. Here is the battery that is going to be replacing the other battery. Let's get this open. Boys out there and girls, be careful. These little fellas, these little fellas, ooh, they're dangerous. Dangerous little puppies. Right here. See, this can explode. For real, if you bend it, it will explode. Exploding. To get where this is plugged in, the battery, we're gonna get rid of the bracket. So we're going to go from left to right, starting with this one. That's tiny. So we're gonna keep them in order. See this one right here, will go here. This is pretty easy, guys. I thought the pulling apart the phone was going to be the easiest, but now we have to take this off. How do I do that? You, my friend, you go. Ooh, yeah, baby. Now we gotta unplug this battery. Bye. Yes, let's go. Okay guys, we're halfway through. I've unplugged the battery. I've lifted the screen. I've done all sorts of stuff. Kept my things organized right here. Right here, see? Now we gotta unstick the battery. Okay, we got these sticky strips right there. Well, let's get rid of these boys. Okay, now it's time. So now I'm gonna be removing. So I need to remove this sticky boy right here, this flappy flap. Gotta. Okay, we got the battery out. That's the dangerous part actually. But at least that's out, so we don't have to deal with the dangerous part. And it was a bit rough, so we might have destroyed the wireless charger. We'll see. Now it's time to put in the new battery that is right here. Okay, so we've put in the battery plug. So now the battery is all connected with the phone. Now we need to put on the bracket that holds it in. But this is the hardest bit. Needing to line it up with the hole. Remember, left to right. Wait, was it this one? I'm gonna get them all in, but I'm not gonna tighten them. Now we tighten them. Yeah. Final. Let's close this bad boy. And see if it works. I nearly forgot that suction cup was on it. So this end needs to go in like that, so it lines up. Line, line, line. And then do this. Okay, now I've got to push all this down, this screen down. Now it's time to put the last 2 screws in this end, right here. Now, where's the screwdriver? And ready. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Flipping joke right there. 47%? Now let's go into settings and check the battery. Battery health. Oh yeah! It's changed to 100%. And the message is something different. Your battery is currently supporting no peak performance. Huzzah! We've done it. Round of applause, everyone. Round of applause. Okay, we've got to put on the case. We got to charge this up because it's only at 46%. We've got to put on the fresh, beautiful glass. Need fancy, fancy, fancy glass. Fancy. Nice. Now let's find. Okay, this is not. Ah, found it. I think. See you guys soon. Remember, guys, don't try this at home. Because leave it to the professionals. They're smart, intelligent, and they get paid. It's their job. It doesn't matter. At least we got a better battery in this thing. But it is the end of the video. If you find this if you find this interesting, like. If you didn't, dislike. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see all your views and your beautiful parts of E-Mans in the next video. Peace. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, now it's time.